What's up, everyone? This is Coach Keva checking in, guys. Just to invite you to our weight loss workshop that's happening this Sunday, guys, at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And so, if you missed the last workshop, no worries. You totally can attend the workshop. It's so much information for individuals that are really ready to go to the next step, right? So, this workshop is for you if you are just sick and tired of being tired with the same results, repeating the same kind of behavior, and you are really ready to take on some new action items and become the best version of yourself. And let me tell you, right now you're looking at Coach Lee. This was Coach Lee not long ago, guys. And so I want you to know that if he did it, if I did it, together we released over 100 and some pounds, guys. You can do the same thing too, but you have to have a made up mind. Make no mistake, it was not easy in the beginning, but when you position yourself with the right mindset, the right community, and it's just a no brainer, right? Like this was Coach Lee's results not long ago, and he knew he had to make a decision. He didn't want to do things his way. But in the workshop, you'll learn more about his story, guys, and another picture of his journey as well. You know, he wanted to eat what he wanted to eat, but I'll let Coach Lee share his story with you all so you can just, have a better understanding of his journey, his mindset, and where you need to be for you to have some amazing transformational results. Like, don't think because you're over 40 or over 30 that it can't happen over 50. Guys, if you put your mind to it, you can totally achieve any wellness goal you have. And let me tell you, we've been sharing some amazing products that we've used. We partner with Herbalife Nutrition. The products are amazing. You don't have to use them, but guys, it is definitely a game changer. Instead of like drinking Monsters and Red Bulls like Coach Lee used to drink, we now transition to drinking these great energy teas, guys, that will get you the energy you need. I don't know about you, but mom of four, and even though two of them are adults, it doesn't matter. I still need some energy. It's going to pick me up. So in the workshop, we'll share with you how you can, test drive our nutrition products. We partner with an amazing company, number one in the world, and make no mistake, you will love them. And if they have like 1 gram of sugar, you can't go wrong with that, guys. All right. And so here it is right here. We're showing you, so instead of having a soda or an energy drink or a coffee, guys, you can have alternative. It is so amazing. You will love them. You can make them at home. We will ship them right to your doorstep. And guys, you'll hear some testimonial stories about our clients who got some results. Guys, when you put in the work, you'll get the results. This person's down 2.1 pounds, guys. All our clients have gotten results in some form of way. It doesn't have to be on the scale, but it could be like how you're feeling. Are you bloated? Are you getting new daily habits? It can be so many ways, guys. So don't feel like if you don't have results on the scale, you're not going to get, you're not making any progress. You are, right? So we'll teach you all about that in the workshop. And guys, we do serve the community with a wellness retreat. You'll hear more about that. And in the wellness retreat, you have a time where you really can focus on yourself. Often we spend time caring for our children, caring for our significant other, working around the clock, caring for dogs, doing dishes, all the things that we just don't invest in our overall health and wellness. And now it stops right now. You need to take care of your own self, because if you don't have your health and strength, what else do you have, right? And so more results from our clients, guys. I'll leave you with this, right? This workshop is for you if you are ready for the next level. And if this wellness retreat is for you, you'll hear more about it, is for you too. If you are just ready to to level up your life and really become the person who you were born to be. Like, what are you waiting for? I had the fixed mindset too that I couldn't achieve it. All these kids, all the extra weight. But guys, we'll talk more on Sunday. But this wellness retreat is definitely a place for you to be. Promotion now where you can bring a friend with you who's on the same journey. How amazing is that for you to relax, reset, and recharge to become the best person you're born to be? And we are so excited to share with you more about how we serve the community. We will see you online. Let's go.